Looking at the key fob inside of the Volvo XC90. Similar style fob to a number of other Volvo vehicles. You've got the Volvo logo along the back. One side of the fob, there's lock, unlock, trunk release. Opposite side is going to be the horn or panic alarm button. And then along the very bottom, there's also a release there for the emergency access key. So all you're going to do is push it and slide this cover away in order to get access to the mechanical key there. So if the fob's ever died on you, all you're going to do is get access to that key first, use it in order to get inside the ride, drop the key fob right here in order to be able to start up. Looking at some things on the fob, so there's no remote start directly through the Volvo fob. So you actually have to use the Volvo app in order to be able to remote start that way. If you want to walk through and actually using the app, you'll find that down below. You could kick to swipe, depending on which version of the XC90 that you've got. There's a button just underneath the L in Volvo there. And then you can also just push and hold the button there in order to be able to pop it open. This is the plug-in hybrid version. You can also set a custom height for the liftgate too. So all you're going to do is drag this up or down to whatever height you'd like to. You're then just going to push and hold. Once you hear that chime, it's locked into place. So now every time the liftgate opens, it wouldn't open up past that point. You can button push to close, you can kick to close or open, and then you can just button push. Oh, of course, button push in order to be able to close again. And then there's one other neat key fob trick that you can do inside of the Volvo key fob, and that's rolling the windows down and back up. To roll them down, you're just going to push and hold the unlock button. So push and hold there. Release it. If you were to lock it, it pauses it part way, and then just push and hold again in order to be able to continue the process. Nice and simple. And it's just going to be, well, it's all four windows, but unfortunately not the sunroof. And then you can also reverse the process. All you're going to do is push and hold the lock button. So just push and hold. Back up they go. You can release as they start going. Push unlock in order to pause it at that point. Then there are some different settings for the fob, so you can actually lock out the windows and a few other things. And while this is loading up, if you want walkthroughs, so you want to know how to use the steering wheel buttons, use cruise control, the cluster, the head-up display, the infotainment, you'll find full walkthroughs down in the description. But what you want to do is go into your vehicle settings and then controls, and then you've got a bunch of things here for brightness, for the interior light, for ambient lighting, but locking. So when you go to unlock the vehicle, do all doors become unlocked, or is it just the driver's door that becomes unlocked? And then you've also got the option of having the sunroof, the shade specifically, auto close for you, and then lights. So when you go to unlock the vehicle, do you get lights? Do you get sound? And then do you want your side view mirrors to automatically fold in? So if you wanted to permanently have your side view mirrors locked out, you've got the flexibility to be able to do it. And there are a lot of other useful features inside of the ride. So if you want a full walkthrough of the infotainment, you'll find it down below. But that's how you use the key fob inside of the Volvo XC90.